Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐏𝐿 here. And I am with a program called $25 One Up. And I know that, right now a lot of people are looking to make money from home. I invited one of my peers who the other day had an instant commission come in that's helping him while, business is down right now. And I wanted to invite him to kind of share his thoughts about this work from home system that he's been using for how long, Robert?
I've been using this system now maybe 4 or 5 months now.
Okay, perfect. Not as long as what I thought, because the way you've been winning, I thought it was
Yeah.
longer. So Robert, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself, tell us a little bit about yourself and where you're from.
Okay, sure. My name is Robert Barry. I'm from the Bahamas, and I've been in the online arena now for maybe 5, 6 years. I can tell you, most of those years I've been failing. I've been jumping from opportunity to opportunity until I was introduced to this opportunity that I'm a part of right now. And I can tell you, the training and the leaders that are attached to this opportunity is far beyond me, far beyond me. The training, oh my God. This is as simple as it gets. The only thing that you need to do, that I try to do every day, is come up with a plan and stay consistent.
Yes, you hit it right on the nail. So the other day, you got, I think it was $125 commission, correct?
Yes, I did.
And that was instant, right?
Instant, yeah.
So talk about right now, what is your situation like right now, and how do these instant payouts basically help you?
Okay, well, I can tell you, I'm at the time of recording this video, I'm a part-time marketer. And so I do have a 9 to 5. And one thing I can say now, sitting in this seat, I can appreciate my online business and being in the online arena more so now than ever, considering everything that is happening in the world right now. I can tell you, I was scheduled to work on my 9 to 5 for the next 2 to 3 weeks, right? No days off, because we're now in the spring break, and everybody wants to come down in the tropical areas, sun, beach, and a lot of water sports and stuff like that. But because of what's going on in the world, I went from 3 weeks having no days off in less than 24 hours, being off for more than a week. And now tomorrow for the work schedule to come out, which I'm sure everywhere, all of the spaces, the airports are now being quarantined, locked down. So I'm probably going to be off for another week for my 9 to 5, which I don't mind, because now I can pay even more attention and put more energy into my online opportunity. Like having the time freedom to actually sit down in the front of the computer and connect with people and show them how they can replicate and duplicate exactly what it is that I'm doing. And I'm very thankful for that.
Absolutely. And because, you're in the Bahamas, correct?
Yes, I am.
And this is an international opportunity. And, the thing is, you hit the nail on the head again. Right now, everybody's looking for something to do from home for a lot of reasons. Health. So there's people who they don't want to expose themselves during this outbreak. So they're like, you know what, I just want to work from home. There's people who, for circumstances out of their own control, their jobs told them, we don't have cash flow to pay you for the next couple weeks, or it might stretch into months, or they just got sent home and were told apply for unemployment.
It's so amazing that you actually touch on that. In the Bahamas, we have the largest hotel in the Caribbean situated here in the Bahamas. I'm being told from family members and friends that actually are employed at this establishment that they are being asked to take vacation or a few weeks off without being paid. And then others are being asked to go in and ask for assistance and stuff like that. And so I am off with all of this time. What I'm doing is I'm trying to share this opportunity, this business model, with as much as my countrymen and everyone in the world at large. The one thing that I love about this opportunity in particular is that there are no monthly fees. So it's a to member opportunity. And I think that's a very, very huge selling point.
Absolutely, because there's no monthly fees, you know, for one time package, you get your package, come into the program, you learn the lifelong skill sets of how to market online, whatever your platform is, whether you want to do Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. The system teaches you how to leverage those platforms and get out there and start producing. And like Robert says, you know, one thing that I like about this program as compared to other programs is that he talked about the leadership within this program. Okay. One thing is, if you are ready to get out there and begin the work, if you are a worker, people have no problem sharing what they're doing. Like yesterday, I was sharing with Robert something. He asked me a question. I was sharing with him, and we're not on the same team, my friends.
Yep.
And he
on the same team.
Yeah, he was asking me some questions about how I market and how I share this program, and I gave him what I do, right? So it's like, I love that there's not that competition factor that you find sometimes with other work from home programs where people just won't tell you what they're doing.
Yeah.
And to be honest, most of us are on YouTube sharing what we're doing anyways.
Exactly. That's how I do a lot of my marketing. How-to videos.
Yeah, videos is like the way to go. I love videos, and also Facebook marketing is great as well. So like, let me ask you this. So where do you see yourself going the next couple months with this program? And how do you think that this is going to help you get through this thing that we've never seen before, right? No one knows really what to do with this. This is brand new and foreign to a lot of people.
Yeah, I'm so excited that you asked me that, because literally I got up early this morning, maybe around about 12 a.m. this morning. Didn't get to bed until maybe 5, 6 o'clock. And I spent most of that time mapping out the next 2 months of my business. And so one of the things that I wanted to do, or I am doing right now, I'm updating my Facebook, because, you know, Facebook is a really good way of piquing people's interest in what it is that you do. I've been getting a lot of messages and inbox from friends, families, interested persons. I post in Facebook groups, which is another way of piquing people's interest. And so I'm in the process of mapping and strategizing exactly what I need to do in order to gain even a greater traction in this business, and creating and developing my own team and passing the skills that I am now sharpening, so that they will be able to pass on to their their teammates as well.
Absolutely. And, you know, so that's what it takes, is like having a daily blueprint and a daily routine. I call it my daily 6, and I stick to the same. You know, I've been in this program now going on 2 years. And basically I do the same, you know, 6 little things. Each one of those things takes me less than 10 minutes to maybe sometimes, you know, 15 minutes each. But I just crush through that list, and it constantly produces leads in my business. And once you understand how to turn those leads into sales, then that's it. So it really is about just having a blueprint and sticking to it. Like you said, that consistency piece.
Yeah. Being consistent.
Right. So for those of you who are watching, I just realized I didn't even introduce myself. I don't think I did, but I'm Coach Crick-Shinta. I don't think I did. I just went to blah. But I'm Coach Crick.
You dove right into it.
Yeah. So I'm Coach Crick-Shinta. I'm with 25, the program that we're talking about, $25 one up. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's 100% instant commission program. What that means is there's 5 package levels. Each package level is in a digital e-course, which teaches you the lifelong skill sets of how to market and how to make money online. Once you understand those skill sets, you can always make money online. Robert can always make money online because he understands how to leverage free social media, Facebook, YouTube, right? And how to use those platforms to get a simple message out, to post many ads on social media, and how to convert those into sales, which is cash flow. Okay. And that's what this system teaches you how to do. The system positions you to earn at several price points, or also packages. So there's gold, which is $25. There's platinum, which is $100. There's Diamond, which is $250. There's Enterprise, which is $500, and there's Elite, which is $1,000. Each one of those package levels, you can position yourself depending on your budget and what you want to earn. You can position yourself at one of those package points. There are no monthly fees. And from your first referral, you can be in what they call that, in profit.
Right.
Okay. And for someone like Robert, someone like myself, you can earn 1,000 plus return on investment because you only invested one time into a business income system, and you can earn over. And I'm sure like Robert, that blows your mind too, like over and over and over again. Yeah. So like another thing about this system is that a lot of multi-level, I know right now, here's the thing, it's right now work from home systems are exploding. There's multi-level marketing, there's network marketing, and then there's what we do, which is, direct sales, also known in instant payout programs. Okay.
Right.
The thing about instant payout programs is it's a very unique model that will make you more money than a lot of models out there. And here's why. We have a lot of leverage built into this system. And what that means is a lot of like MLM programs, you make one commission and you're done until you make the next commission. Okay. With this system, for every person that comes and purchases a package in your system, you immediately get an instant payout, but you're not done with getting money in this system. When they go out and they make their first commission, their second commission gets passed up to you. So this is true passive income. You did something one time, you can get paid multiple times over and over and over again. And then there's other ways that you can get paid in the system. Overrides, if you're at Diamond or higher, you can get overrides in the system. Like if someone came in at a lower package and they weren't qualified, then the system would pay out to that lower level, and then the rest will roll up to the next qualified person. And then there's also, I said overrides, and then upgrades. Many people come into the system and they're at lower levels and they realize, you know what, I should be at the higher commission levels, especially the elite levels of Diamond 250, Enterprise 500, and Elite 1000. I should be at those higher levels to earn those higher commissions. So what happens? People upgrade. That's additional income for you. So this is a simple system. Again, it not only gives you the opportunity to make money, but in addition to giving you the opportunity to make money, it also teaches you the knowledge base that you need on how to market effectively online so that you can make commissions.
Also, Crescenta, two other points that I'd like to bring to our viewers' attention as well. With every level that you unlock, there is something or a group of things that is unique to the system.
Yes.
You will gain access to make your marketing or your business in general much easier, or you're able to control more of how your business is run. Secondly, there are a number of ways that you are able to collect your commission. There is PayPal, there's Stripe, there is the Cash App. I think there's an option in there as well for you to add in additional payment processes.
Yes, absolutely. You can, that's a great point. You can get paid however you want. So like Robert uses PayPal. I myself, I am a Square girl because in all my business streams, I'm all about Square. Some people like Cash App, some people like Zelle. The system, some people like Bitcoin. The system gives you several integrated payment processors that are just plug and play. You just put in your username and boom, you can start accepting your payouts when you make a commission. You don't have to wait on a payday. This pays every single day when you make a commission. All right. You just get out there, you do your job, which is follow the blueprint, get out there and run your business. And when you make a commission, you get it that day in your bank account. Right.
I think for a lot of persons, that's powerful. Join your system and in minutes or seconds, you're able to, and you have 100% access or instant access to those funds.
Right, because a lot of people are waiting till every 2 weeks on the pay. Well, what if something pops up in between? Like for example, this is a good case and example. When all this stuff started happening, people were needing supplies. Well, if you're waiting, you got to wait 2 weeks until you get a paycheck. In the meantime, where's your cash flow? This is why cash flow instant payout programs I think in the next quarter are gonna just explode. People are gonna, because people are starting to realize cash flow is king.
Yeah.
Right. We also get a lot of people in $25 one up who are business owners who come in because they own traditional businesses, and there's certain times of the year when they realize that either business is slow or this and other, and they still need cash flow. So what do? They join this program and start creating cash flow for themselves.
Exactly. And one of that's one of the idea for me one day is to move into this space full time. One thing that I am enjoying is being able to have a 9 to 5, take some of those salaries, pay, take a portion of it, invest it into something that will be around for many years to come.
That's right.
I mean, I am enjoying the journey in making that all of this come together.
Absolutely. Robert, did you have anything else that you wanted to add?
Well, the only thing I would like to say to everyone out there, that if you do not have a second income, or if you're looking for a way to change your life, I tell you something. I'm a traveler. One of my huge hobbies is traveling. I would have done the UK. I would have been all over the United States, all over the Bahamas with 700 islands and keys, and all of this traveling that we do as humans, it causes monies. Okay, so and no one is ever going to knock down a second way of making an income. And I strongly suggest, if you're not in the online marketing space, you need to get with us. Let us expose you to this program and begin to build your dreams.
That's right. And I mean, if people have not realized before, you know, I'm grateful for people like you, Robert, and people like myself who realized years ago, you know, even with having a 9 to 5, that, listen, being online, you have to, everything is moving online, and now even more so.
Yeah.
You know, people are looking for work from home opportunities. People are forced into work from home opportunities at this point. And, you know, for people like you and myself, we're very fortunate that months ago, we started learning the skill sets of digital marketing.
Yeah.
Right? So this is what I want people to learn, to empower themselves with the skill sets of digital marketing, because it will
something, something that was very important. I think I'd be remiss if I end the call and I don't get this out there. I think what causes a lot of persons to be timid and not want to get in this space is a fear of being uncomfortable. To say this to our viewers, I failed miserably. Miserably. You know something? My dreams was bigger than my fears.
That's right.
So wanting my dreams to be a reality, consistency stuck in there, I created a plan, and the plan is coming to fruition. I was terrified of getting in the front of the camera. Now I don't even care if I don't pronounce my words correctly. I can always go back and fix it. You know, imperfect actions, I like to call it.
I can't even follow up from that. That was like, right on. So we're going to end this thing. Listen, if you are watching this and you're like, now's the time, you know, for me to start, not out of fear, out of preparation, to plan an online economy for myself. I am ready to do it. I'm ready to learn the digital marketing skill sets. I am ready to create a business for myself online. I'm ready to have a long-term strategy to create cash flow within my business and within my own economy. If that's you, I want you to get back to whoever showed you this video. If it's me, get back to me. If it's Robert, get back to Robert. Whoever showed you this video, get back to them, get their link, get started, and get plugged into the system and start learning and start doing and start earning these instant payouts. Congrats again to you, Robert. We'll connect with whoever's out there, and we'll see you in the next video, my friends.